Everything I'm going to show you here, I'm going to show you on a phone. It certainly can be done on an iPad or a laptop or a desktop computer, and it all pretty much works the same. But if you're anything like me, then you probably have your phone with you all the time. So I'm going to show you this way, so let's take a look. Anytime that you get a new student, you'll get an email that'll look something like this, and it'll have the customer's contact information as well as any other info that might be useful that I get from the customer, such as the student's age, how long they've been playing for, any availability they have, things like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to call the family and introduce yourself and see what works out for scheduling. And once you get stuff set up with them, then you can go ahead and mark down all of your lessons, and we'll take a look at how to do that. So the first thing to keep in mind is that anything that you need to do, you can do from writestartmusic.com/report. So here you can log directly into My Music Staff. You can submit your lessons report for the whole month. You can see videos on how to do all this stuff. So when you have a new student, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to come here and you're going to click on this button that says Report First Lesson with a New Student. And from there, you can put in your name. For keeping it short, I'm just going to put something real simple. Put the customer's name, and then you're going to say the lesson length. So say, for example, this student is going to do 45-minute lessons, and they're going to do Wednesdays, and the first lesson is going to be on the 15th. You just mark those things down. You can make any notes if you want to, but you don't have to. And then you're going to hit submit, and that's pretty much all you have to do. You'll get a thing saying, thank you, your form was submitted successfully, and then you should be all set.